Hello everyone, it's Enikō here. So a quick demonstration of my Enikō's range. If you would like to treat yourself with a nice scrub / mask, then here it is, your beautiful enzymatic micro peel. Either a scrub or a mask, you can use both ways. So what you do, you are cleansing your skin with your revitalizing cleansing oil, Enikō, 1 pump. Massage it together and rub it in. Look at it. Okay? Now, don't even wash it off properly. All you do, just wipe it with a damp cloth, like a muslin cloth. Just wet it a little bit and just wipe it off. And then, always try to work upwards motion. Then, what you do, my enzymatic micro peel. Now, a little bit sticky. So I found, because Enikō's products are always a little bit different, not the traditional foamy, because the foams usually take away that protecting layer. I don't use none of those. I don't use surfactants because it just not good for the skin, because it takes away that barrier which one protecting you. What we do, we enhance the skin. So it's just a pea size. That's all it is. You massage it together between your fingertips and you rub it on your skin in a circular motion, upwards motion. You can use it on your neck as well. Now I wear a dress, so it's a bit hard. Now you can leave it on, do something, let the mask or scrub to penetrate into your skin. And then what you do, you just use another pump of my revitalizing cleansing oil, or you can use the nourishing essential lipid. See what you do? I mean, you can even hop into the shower and the steam will help the micro peel to penetrate deeper into your skin. Or you can use just like a few drops of the lipid, massage it into your skin, okay? And look at this, it's all melting into your skin, okay? And then what you do, once you massage it in, it's a bit sticky as I said, but that's the purpose, because it gives you the nutrients. So what you do now, you just use your old muslin cloth, wipe it off, okay? Wipe it off. Here you go. And you feel your skin, unbelievable. But you can see how plump my skin is. I don't even need to cover up, okay? And then what I do, I use another little bit of my lipid, not much at all. And I massage the lipid into my skin. And then what I do, I finish off with my amazing, and the feedback, really, really amazing as well. Revitalizing, actually I would like to use the Repair Renew cream. You can use that day and night. 1 pump. And the smell amazing. You can just feel not only your skin will be thankful, but also your whole body, because whatever we put on our skin, we absorb it into our body and goes through our lymphatic system, and if they have questionable ingredients, they build up in our fat cells. So my aim is to use something that's beneficial topically and internally as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.